everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. Thank you so much for stopping by. As you can tell by the title of today's video, we're going to be doing a project pan update, my Partners in Cream project to be exact. So if you want to see the progress I made in the month of January, then just keep on watching. Before we get into that though, please remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video from me. I forgot to add in that this project was created by the lovely Stuff Lions and Dylan from Outward Processing. I will link their channels down below, as well as the project playlist and everything you need to know, all the rules. It is 3 to 6 items, all cream products, no powders, and we're just trying to hit pan, meet goals, use things up because cream products go bad faster. So, alright, so let's just hop right into the updates. I have some great progress to share with you this month. First up, let's jump into Flexitarian from ColourPop. My goal is to finish this. I used it a total of 13 times, and I will pop up a picture of what it looked like last month, but we have made some progress. I've kind of been focusing this way, trying to hit side pan, so hopefully I'll be able to do that this month by the next update, but we did get some good progress on this, and I think I'm on track. I will be able to finish this year, so really been loving this highlight. Hopefully I can maybe get it out by summer, we'll see. But I've been really enjoying this highlight. It's a really great highlight. Unfortunately, I'm not buying from ColourPop right now, so I won't be able to repurchase it, but it is one of my favorite highlights of all time. Next up is one that really surprised me, and that is my Tower 28, my Tower 28 lip gloss, and it's an empty. So we started there, and as you can see, I got pretty much all of it out. I didn't take the stopper out because if you're new here, I don't usually take the stoppers out of things. I don't really dig into things. Once I can't comfortably use it anymore, that's it. I'm not someone who likes to take the stoppers out. And also there's not a lot left in here anyway. So I only had to use this 8 days, so I don't count reapplication. So a lot of times I would use this, upwards of 5 times a day. So 8 days it took me to use that. So I just decided to start rolling into my next Tower 28 lip gloss, which we were here, and now we're already down here. Actually, I marked it a little low, but pretty much already gone. This one's in the shade XOXO. This one is in the shade Fearless, by the way. This was the more purpley one. It showed up sheer on the lips. This one does have a little bit more tint. So I started using this right away. I've already used it 6 days. So this is going to be out pretty soon. And I'm really pleased with that. I'm going to be able to get, because I had 4 of these in total, so I'll be able to get all 4 of them out pretty quickly. So yeah, I am going to continue to work on this and count it towards this project. And then once I finish this, because it'll probably only take me 2 to 3 more days of use, I'm going to roll right into my third one, which is the shade Fire, which is this more orangey tinted one. And we're right here. So pretty much the same spot as this. So this one's almost done already. I'm going to count it, roll it in, and then I'm going to roll in this one just because I don't want to wait for the next update because I know this will be gone pretty fast. So yeah, I'm kind of rolling both of these in. And then I don't think I'll be able to finish this one, but if I were, for some reason, I will roll in the clear one, which is my last one. But for right now, we've got these 2 to work on. Next up, we have this. This is my ColourPop lipstick in the shade Third Eye. It's a great kind of pinky peachy nude on me. I love this shade so much. I used this a total of just 5 times, so I wish I used it more. I got a little bit of use on it. Let me show you. More the third line. This one, it's actually the second one. So I got a little bit of use on it. I just messed up the first time I marked it. So I was able to make a little bit of use. Hopefully I can wear this a lot more. I am painting quite a few lipsticks, but kind of what I've been doing is I'll start the day off maybe with the Tower 28 because this is very hydrating and moisturizing, so it's kind of like a lip treatment, and then maybe I'll put on a lipstick, and then maybe that'll wear away and I'll put this back on or another different lip gloss. So I've been kind of using multiple lip products in a day, but hopefully I can continue to work on this. This, it's not the biggest bullet anymore, it's got a lot of use on it, so hopefully I can get this done, by the end of the year. I would love to get a full-size lipstick out of my collection. Last year I was able to finish 3 minis, so hopefully I can get at least this one out. Next up, we had my Wonder Beauty, what is this? The Catch the Light Highlighter in Glotion. This has a little like stick highlighter on the end. I don't use that. I don't like it, but the liquid is what I'm using. So as you can see, I started there, and now we're about here. I used this a total of 13 times and pretty much only use it as a mix-in with my Milani foundation. This is the Conceal and Perfect one that I'm panning in the Deck of Panning project. So I use this quite a bit. Like I've said before, I use multiple primers in a day. This is more of a mix-in. I think I might have 1 or 2 times used it just all over under my foundation, but primarily using this as a mix-in. So we've got a ways to go, but we're making pretty good progress, I would say. This is about like half of my foundation uses, so I can't complain. Next up, I forgot to let this settle overnight, so I don't have a line marking, although this one's really hard to kind of draw marking lines because it doesn't settle that well. I estimated here, but I think that was a little high. But this is the e.l.f., what is this? The Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Fair Beige. Not my favorite concealer. I am wearing it today under my eyes. It's fine. I wouldn't go out and repurchase it. But I used this a total of 19 times, so pretty much the majority of the time I wore my makeup. And I don't really know where I am. I think I've gotten quite a bit of use on it. I mean, there's like some windowing. So yeah, I'm gonna try to let this settle. We'll see. I'm just gonna let it sit and we'll see. So next up is, for my final item, is my ColourPop Super Shock. So I'm kind of taking inspiration from a lot of people who did this project last year. They were rolling in their Super Shocks, trying to hit pan on it. So I started out with the shade Flower Child, and after 1 use, I hit pan. And if you guys remember from my intro, this is not glued to the base of the Super Shock, so let me just show you. So I hit pan in 1 use, but I didn't want to just leave it there, so I did use it an additional 3 more times for a total of 4 in total. To get this pan, I kind of tried to show the little circle in the middle. It's very reflective. I mostly use this as an eyeshadow topper because it is very sheer, which worked for me because I am panning a kind of darker shimmer, and I pan those shadows. So this was really nice to have around. I'm glad I was able to hit pan. I didn't expect to hit pan so fast. And so to roll into that, to roll in a new Super Shock, I am going to roll in one of my Raw Beauty Kristi ones. I have, quite a few more Super Shocks. This one is in the shade Olympic, which is, again, one of the more sheer, kind of taupey, glittery kind of topper shades. I don't know that I'll be able to hit pan that fast. I've only used this, I think, once, like, as you can see, but I don't think I'll be able to hit pan in 1 use, so hopefully, maybe 5 uses, and I can roll this out and just kind of run through all of my Super Shocks, because I tried them all in my last episode. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 more. So after I hit pan in this one, I'll have 4 more to hit pan on. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment if you like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!